Emma, is she your mom?
Yeah, she is my dearest and nearest.
I know. Who's that guy?
He's my brother-in-law, Andy. He got married to my half-sister Rose 7 years ago. And they are their children, Tom and Sarah.
Cute kids.
Exactly. They're twins.
What did you say? They aren't much alike.
Yeah, everybody says that.
Do they live here? In LA?
No, my whole family lives in New York. Just me and my cousin live here.
How often do you get together?
Once a year in the new year.
Once a year? Is that enough?
Not at all, but we always keep in touch on the internet.
Anyway, tell me about your sister. What does she do?
She is an executive manager. She works at an international company.
So, she doesn't have a minute to call her own.
Yeah, and my mom has a big responsibility to bring up her children.
Your mom? I reckon she isn't young enough to look after them.
Sure, but she doesn't feel lonely anymore. Happily, there is a friendly relationship between them, and it's a big chance for us to work better.
How about your cousin? How often do you visit her?
We generally go out for dinner on the weekends. Thankfully, we have much in common. Both of us wear the same kind of clothes and the same kind of food. We both have the same taste in music too.
So, your small family gathering is fun and lively.
Of course. How about your family, Tina?
I'm an only child, just like my mom and dad.
Kidding? So you had a lonely childhood.
No, not really. I have a cousin, Lisa. I mean, she is my mom's cousin. Lisa and I grew up together. Although there was a strong bond between us, we had different tastes in everything.
Like what?
She was a sporty girl, but I was a real couch potato, always wanting to lie on the sofa, watch TV shows, read novels, and so on. Finally, all these differences caused us to drift apart, and we are no longer in touch.
How unfortunate. And Alex?
He is working temporarily in Chicago. We have to keep up appearances, so he works around the clock. I see him from time to time.
I understand what you mean. You can always count on me.
I'm really thankful.
Do you want to join us on the weekends?
Sounds like a good plan. But I'm going to go to Chicago to meet Alex this weekend, and I'll join you next week.
That would be great. Don't forget to subscribe to your YouTube channel, like, and share our videos.